I've been in the business for 13 years. And I'm about to go against some top superstars like you, and the belt about to be mine. Taking the belt home with me and gonna be on my smooth belly, CM Punk. Cause that belt right here gonna be on my smooth belly. It is. Cause Dynamite do suck, people. Cause that's why I had to cut a promo on him, cause he cut one on me. We had the time to get up and compete against Vince McMahon. Car budget and stuff, but Vince McMahon, look up, we still coming up, and you're gonna be squished like a little bud like that and stuff, Vince McMahon. I'm real mad, cause you think you can put everybody out of business and kick everybody else, but guess what? You haven't kicked our butt, we still coming up. We might be a small company now, but we coming up, Vince McMahon. And John Cena, listen up, it's my opportunity now to take you out of this wrestling industry, John Cena. You be busy making movies, making rap videos, Subway commercials and stuff, but the freight train be busy wrestling while you be out there doing everything else, John Cena. And let's see, can you see that? And your feet so wet, they stink like a dead cow and a dead horse. That's how your feet be stinking, ready to rock, when they so wet. Cause you know when your feet get wet, they stink real bad. Like old ice cream and funky corn chips and a dead cow.
These boots got a mile or two on them, freight train. I'm gonna make you eat your words, and I'm gonna be the one that finally gets you to shut the F up, Hollywood style. You know why, freight train? You know why? Because I'm the one that's gonna be leading this train wreck.
Okay, listen up, Eugene. This freight train, I seen your video, what you cut on YouTube about me and stuff, on July the 27th. I'ma kick the shit out of you, Eugene. I'ma take your retarded motherfucking ass out. Since you called me the MF word, my time to call you a motherfucker, though you is a retarded motherfucker. Take your motherfucking ass back to Louisville, Kentucky. And this belt gonna stay right here on my smooth belly. And look at my belly, Eugene. That's what they're gonna say. Cause this message for freight train, Eugene. When you hear this message, get back at me.
Well, Freight Train, I think we got a little bit off the rails on that interview there, but if a train goes off the rails, we all know a train wreck will happen. And on July 27th in Charlestown, Indiana, presented on WWNlive.com, a train wreck will happen when Freight Train takes on Eugene.